Let me know when you're going.
Oh, I'm going.
Are you going?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, everybody, this is a preview. So everyone in my High Five Club and above is going to get access to this. And this is the new studio, can't believe I'm saying it, new studio tour. It's a mess, but I'd like for you to come inside and see it. Come on, come on. Sean's on the camera.
Woo! As per usual.
Okay. So, over here, this is the little stage. We just shot something with the Pro 2 Plus. It's building a Mandalorian helmet from Nico Industries. It's great. Wow, it's well lit right here. This is probably going to be where we film everything. We got some models over there. We got some models over there. And then back over here. Well, it's not, let's see. Oh, we got some light. Okay, good. This is kind of like the back room. This is the back room. It's the room in the back. We'll probably have our desks here, right? Probably have desks.
Probably,
here.
yeah.
Probably have desks here, and probably something cool on the wall. Probably. These shelves will probably go away because they're old. Here's some gear. This is a little closet area. Right now, it's full of filaments, and it's got two coat hangers. It's got that type and that type. That was a selling point. And a sprinkler system, which is good. Which is good. We have a fire extinguisher. Look at that. Look at that. We have a fire extinguisher.
Oh, we do. Bam.
And over here, there's double doors on that side, but we got a sound blanket up, so we can't really see outside, which is good. This is room number 1. This is one of the rooms. Lots of outlets. The Z-Morph is down there right now, and I'm gonna have to build a shelf. And then over here, this is room number 2. In room number 2, we have a microwave and we have a refrigerator. This is great. And part of why this is great is because my wife is going to get some of her space back in the house. And well, I guess the family will get some of our space back in the house. That's important. Plus, Sean and I needed more room. The room that we were in my house was probably, what, 500 square feet?
Yeah, ish.
Ish. Cramped. Hard to get around. The garage was overfilling. So this is 1,000 square feet, and we were going to do some awesome things in here because now we have room to actually expand and do stuff. Every little room, nook and cranny is going to be a really cool shooting location. And the goal, the hope, the dream is that we will be able to bring you all sorts of still excellent but more diverse content because we want to feature machines like the Pro 2 Plus, but we also want to feature machines like this Creality CR10 V2 or the Spark Maker or the Artillery Genius. We have quite a backlog of machines to get to. So the reason I'm telling you, all my high fivers, is because this is only possible because of the support that you've given me over the years. The reason that I can expand, the reason that I can pay Sean, the reason that I can pay my producer, the whole point of all of this is to provide good content, and partly due to the support that you give me. So thank you very, very much. It's 6 o'clock.
And it's so dark.
It's so dark outside. It's DC dark, like we like to say. This is gonna print. We're borrowing some Wi-Fi right now. Business Wi-Fi sucks because they overcharge you for the crappiest Wi-Fi. But we're gonna let this print. Let's see, you're seeing this. You'll probably see this tonight, which is Wednesday?
6th, yeah.
Wednesday the 6th? Okay, so tomorrow we're off to PDX Land. If any of you are going to PDX Land, I'd love to see you. Give you a high five. I'm just going to be there for a couple days. It should be fun. But yeah, this is the new space. This is the new space, and you are exclusively the first, other than Sean, my wife and kids, my parents. I mean, you know, immediate close people. You're the first people to know about this. So I'm really excited and I'm really thankful, and I can't wait to show you all sorts of really cool stuff. Sean, anything else?
This is awesome.
This is awesome.